Welcome to another amazing Google Ads compromise site case study. For those who don't know, we have been working with Google Ads disapprovals, specifically compromise sites, circumventing system misrepresentation, unreliable claim, circumventing system, or also with Google Ads suspensions, also with Google Magenta suspensions, also for Google Business Profile suspension. In case if you need our service, just to let you know that I've been running a Google Ads partner company along with my team of dedicated professionals. So in case if you need our services, you can hire us through the link in the description. Now let's forward to this amazing case study where the Google Ads was disapproved for compromised site and how we were able to do it a quick restore. Plus, I will also show you the client review as well in this video. So you have to stay with me on this. So you can see over here that this is the original website. You can see over here which was got disapproved for compromised site. So this is a locksmith niche. You can see over here locksmith and lockout, Norwich, Groton, surrounding areas, and video images. So this is their website. So I'm going to show you this original compromise site error. You can see over here that then when they were running the campaign, you can see over here that you can see even see this ID as well, because I'm going to show you the approval email which we got from the Google support, and you can verify it later on as well. You can see over here that the ad has a disapproved with compromise site over here. You can see over here quickly showing this is being connected to our MCC. So I cannot show you much because this is our client privacy. So I'm just going to show you the few of the things over here. So once the this was the project was being assigned to us, we did several things, and this was being also shared with the client, that the client said that I checked the malware scanner, all of the scan, and the website is coming clean. Still it's showing error over here. For those who don't know, we just developed 160 plus checklist for Google Merchant Center issues, Google Ads disapprovals, and Google Business Profile issues, which we have learned after sorting out hundreds of cases, and the points where Google look around whenever there is a disapproval case, including checking the website security, malware security, Google Search Console errors, website errors, theme errors, coding errors. Sometimes there is an issue in your website coding. Sometimes unknowingly someone has injected malware scanner on your website or on your hosting account. So it is necessary to scan not your just main website but also your hosting account, also checking your IP for any black history, plus communicating with the Google and asking for a manual review whenever they try to do the review on the Google Ads, and the ads gets continuously disapproved. So which is why it's good to hire a company like us to get all of these issues sorted. So I'm also going to show you, this is one of the few email support which my team did. Apart from this, we also going to show you over here that the email has been sent. As a Google partner, we got the call support as well. And when we got the call from the Google, and my client was like, oh, the Google said that your site is disapproved for compromised site and we cannot do anything. You just have to clear your website out. Now what to clear, not to where to go to get approved, is where we work around. We also look for dead links, broken links, also do the sample checkout on your website, to do the payment policies page, every page for the compliance, look around for a privacy policy, about us page, all of the things, and since it's done by multiple team members, so that the compliance can properly be achieved. And after this, we got this on the account that you do not have any policy violation, and then we got this an official email to one of my staff member, and here you can see over here that, hi Mohammed, thank you for contacting Google Ads support. I apologize, since it's for Google Ads disapproved over here, and you can match the customer ID over here as well. The request to appeal the violation of the Google Ads for the Google Ads account has been accepted and your account is no longer suspended. Please note that your ads are still required to comply with the Google Ads policy at all the time. So the compliance is necessary at all the time. So you can see over here that this is got an approval. And apart from this, I'm going to show you email as I'm going to show you the video review of the client as well. So you have to stay with me on this. So this is the review which the client did for me. I'm very thankful to him. You can see over here.
Hi, I'm a locksmith. I just want to give a shout out to Raza. My Google Ads and Google Guarantee were suspended due to compromised website, and Raza was able to get it done in 6 days and fixed it, while many other companies were saying that it could take up to 3 to 4 weeks. But Raza got it done in 6 days. I am very happy, very satisfied. Great communication.
So yeah, you can see that this is a very satisfied customer review as well. So in case if your Google Ads is disapproved for compromised site or any other issue, you can hire me and my team for Google Ad disapproval, Google Ad suspension, Google business profile suspension, Google merge status suspension, or even for Google Ads management. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description. And we look forward working with you. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this amazing case study. And yeah, we look forward working with you. Take care. Bye bye.